Hi, I'm Sandra Lopez Aurora, and this is CookFlow. Imagine it's 5 p.m. You have just finished work. You open the fridge, stare at it, and think, what are we eating tonight? If you are in a household with two partners, maybe different food cultures, maybe kids with allergies, teenagers with opinions, or elderly parents with dietary restrictions, then that question isn't simple. It's exhausting. And it happens every single day. Most families end up with the same fallback meals, or takeout, or a back and forth on WhatsApp that goes nowhere. And at the end of the week, half that fridge goes in the bin. 8 out of 12 people I interviewed told me food waste is one of their biggest frustrations. Not just the money, the guilt. Those are the problems CookFlow was built to solve. I built CookFlow as a multi-agent AI kitchen assistant. You tell it about your household, your allergies, your food preferences, and it plans your week. Recipes, grocery list, batch cooking schedule. I built it first for myself, a Colombian Canadian household. Two tired people who don't want to think about cooking on a Tuesday night. Then I talked to 12 real people, and I discovered my core assumption was wrong. I assume everyone starts from recipes. What should we cook this week? But 10 out of 12 people don't. They open the fridge, see what's there, and ask, what can I make with this? That's a completely different question, and CookFlow didn't answer it. And it wasn't just the wrong mental model. The system was also failing at its most basic job. This is CookFlow before the fix. A user asks for a simple meal plan. No constraints, no complexity, and the agent comes back with nothing. The problem wasn't the prompts, it was the architecture. 6 agents trying to enforce every constraint equally. Allergens treated the same as cultural preferences. No fallback when search failed, and no ingredient first entry point at all. So I redesigned it. 6 agents down to 3. A constrained hierarchy that mirrors how real users think. A curated recipe fallback. And 2 entry points, a structured form and a conversational chat, both of which support planning from recipes or from what's already in your fridge. Here is the structured form. A family planning their week with a Colombian cuisine preference and a nut allergy. This is one of the hardest constraint combinations in our test suite. And watch what the system does. 4 authentic Colombian recipes, all not free, with a full grocery list. And a face cooking skill. You can print or save your plan in PDF. And here is the chat. Same system, same intelligence, but conversational. You tell it what is in your fridge, and it tells you what you can make. This is how we went from there to here. Test case 1, the simplest possible request, went from 1 out of 5 to 5 out of 5. Allergen constraints never violated across any test case, and the system now proactively flags when constraints cannot be met, instead of silently returning nothing. What's next? Authentication, email delivery so the plan arrives in your inbox on Friday morning. Pantry tracking and memory of previous recipes so it never suggests the same thing in a month. CookFlow is live right now. If you are a busy family who will use this, try it. If you see a business here, let's talk. And if you are looking for someone who can take an AI product from user insight all the way to a working deployed system, I would love to connect. Thank you very much.